What is in there? Uh-oh. What's in there? You're gonna have to check. Oh, crystals. I think
There's more.
there is way more. But isn't this the corner?
And there's even a magnet.
A magnet, right? A magnet.
And also.
Wow. Well.
And there's also this glows in the dark.
That glows in the dark. And where did you get all this?
Wow.
In the supposed to be not in to touch corner, right? Isn't that something you should not touch?
Okay, give me a necklace.
Please? I can't. Why should I? It's on my neck.
Where's the other necklace?
Which one? I have two in there. Three in there.
Any.
You want to give me another
You
present?
have every single necklace you
But
have.
you know, presents doesn't make me happy. I need something else. A kiss, a hug, or something.
That's something.
Can you hug me? Can anybody hug me? Can you give me a hug, girl?
Close your eyes.
No, I want to have a hug. Can you hug me?
Just close your eyes. I'll hug you.
You do? No, you're running away from me. That's not
First, I want to do something.
Okay.
So close your eyes.
Okay, I will.
Close your eyes.
All right, I have to turn off the camera. Okay.